Alright, this is a video of my 2005 Mazda S. That's the V6 model. Not the sport package, doesn't have the leather interior, but it's a 6-speed automatic. This video is just to give you a little taste of what the intake sounds like when it's just revving in park. I'm going to take a couple pushes, maybe up to 3,000 RPMs, then 4, then I'm going to put it all the way up. Alright, kind of pop the hood. Oh, that's my son. If you can see him, it's pretty dark, but his name's Caleb. He's going to be joining us. Now the engine is pretty warmed up. Let me put this down for a second. The engine is pretty warm. I just came from a quick drive, so not a cold start. It's pretty warm. Alright, there it is. Ford Duratec engine. Pretty nice looking. Alright. This is mainly just for the sound, and you can also, I'll set it right here so you can see the engine a bit. Get a good position. Sorry, I've got a pretty campy camera here. It's not even a camcorder. But I'll put it right here, right next to the gearbox. You guys should be able to see it. Bear with me for a second. There we go. Alright, hopefully it doesn't fall off. Alright, thanks for watching. Next video I'm going to make is of the stock exhaust. By the way, yes, this is pretty much 100% stock. There's no kind of modifications on this car whatsoever. But I do plan on making some slight modifications. Mainly the intake. I plan on getting the CPE intake system with the customizer, and pretty much I'm going to be doing straight pipes from the cat back exhaust system. So it's going to be something to look forward to. Thanks for watching.